Welcome to a world of sunshine, colors, and tropical fun. If you're planning a birthday party that feels like a beach vacation, you're in the right place. Tropical themes bring energy, color, and pure joy to any celebration. Whether it's indoors or outdoors, day or night, this theme shines bright. From palm leaves to pineapples, every detail adds to the experience. You don't need fancy items to create a tropical vibe, just creativity and good ideas. We're here to show you beautiful, easy, and affordable decoration ideas. Perfect for kids, teens, or adults. The tropical theme works for all ages. So let's get into these tropical birthday decoration ideas that feel like a holiday. What colors work best for a tropical birthday theme? Use bold and bright colors like green, yellow, pink, and turquoise. These mirror tropical flowers, trees, and fruit, perfect for party vibes. Mix and match with patterns like leaves and florals. Stick to 3 to 4 main shades to keep the decor neat. Sunset tones work beautifully for evening events. You can use a white or wooden base with splashes of tropical colors. Try palm prints or floral table covers for a fun twist. What kind of balloons should I use? Choose balloons in the shape of pineapples, flamingos, and leaves. Create a balloon arch with green, orange, and yellow tones. Add clear balloons with confetti or tropical stickers inside. Mini balloon bouquets can be used for table centerpieces. You can hang balloon vines over doorways for a fun welcome. Use foil balloons as statement pieces behind the cake table. Tie in some faux leaves for texture and island flair. Do you prefer balloon garlands or helium balloons? Comment your pick. How do I decorate the table? Start with a bamboo or leafy table runner. Add fruit bowls with pineapples, mangoes, and coconuts. Use palm leaves as placemats or under plates. Add floral centerpieces or candle holders wrapped in jute. Use tropical-themed plates, cups, and paper straws. Little umbrella picks and cupcakes or snacks add charm. A coconut-shaped jug or drink dispenser is a fun detail. What centerpieces match the vibe? Pineapples wearing sunglasses make quirky centerpieces. Tiki torches, battery-operated for safety, bring a beachy glow. Use glass jars filled with sand, shells, and candles. Tropical flower vases, especially hibiscus or orchids, work beautifully. Small flamingo or parrot figures can add a fun twist. You can even use themed lanterns or bamboo baskets. Add table signs like aloha or beach vibes for flair. Which centerpiece idea would you try first? Share your thoughts. What's a simple way to decorate walls? Hang large paper palm leaves in clusters or rows. Use tissue paper flowers and sunset shades for a festive backdrop. Create a tropical paradise banner with string and cardstock. Use netting or bamboo-style fabric for texture. Add tropical birds or butterfly wall stickers. Photos clipped to a string with tropical pegs make it personal. A handmade flower wall or balloon backdrop can steal the show. How can I decorate the entrance? Create an arch with balloons, vines, and paper leaves. Place flamingo cutouts or tiki masks beside the door. Roll out a beach mat or grass skirt trim as a welcome path. Use chalkboard signs with tropical messages. Hang a faux lei garland above the doorway. Coconut halves or pineapples can line the entrance. A welcome sign saying "Island Party Ahead" sets the tone. What would your tropical welcome sign say? Drop your ideas below. What kind of lighting works for the evening? Hang warm fairy lights through trees, tents, or railings. Use paper lanterns in tropical colors or floral prints. Tiki torches add a warm beach glow. Solar or battery versions work well. Wrap string lights around poles or palm decorations. Use LED candles inside bamboo holders for safety. Light up centerpieces with small fairy light clusters. Add glow sticks in cups for a fun kids' table effect. Can I make a photo booth at home? Absolutely! Use a palm leaf backdrop with fabric or printed paper. Add inflatable flamingos, tropical hats, and sunglasses as props. Use a beach towel or mat as the floor for realism. Create frames with words like Tiki time or beach mode. Hang string lights around the booth area for a glowing effect. Add surfboard cutouts or mini pool props for a beachy vibe. It doesn't have to be big, just fun and themed. What would you include in your DIY photo booth? Share with us. What about chairs and seating? Cover chairs with leafy or floral fabric for an instant theme. Use raffia or grass skirt trim around chair backs. Place tropical printed cushions for extra comfort. Use low picnic-style seating with mats and throw pillows. Add tiny flower garlands to each chair or bench. Use colorful beach towels as chair covers for a casual look. Even basic plastic chairs can look tropical with a little fabric and fun. How do I decorate a small space tropically? Focus on corners with layered decorations, lights, leaves, and signs. Hang decor vertically, streamers, vines, or paper fans. Use foldable tables with bright covers to save space. Utilize wall space with posters or hanging props. Pick 2 to 3 main features like a decorated dessert table and backdrop. Keep the center open for easy movement. Use string lights to frame the whole setup and make it glow. Small space, big fun. Share your smart decor tips with us. Can I create a tropical cake table? Yes. Use a rattan or bamboo tablecloth. Place the cake on a stand with palm leaves underneath. Decorate with tropical fruits, flowers, and mini umbrellas. Use cupcakes with flamingo toppers or edible flowers. Hang a garland or backdrop behind the table. Add fairy lights under the table for a glowing effect. Include a themed happy birthday sign above it. What party favors suit a tropical theme? Give mini bottles of tropical juice or mocktails. Use little baskets with sunglasses, keychains, or shell bracelets. Coconut or pineapple-shaped containers are great for candies. DIY tropical-themed bookmarks or stickers are fun too. Include a mini lei or flower hair clip. Use palm print favor bags or mini pouches. Make sure each favor ties into the beachy, colorful theme. Which party favor would you be excited to receive? Share below. How can I include real or faux plants in decor? Use potted palms or banana trees for corners. Place faux monstera leaves under centerpieces. Wrap green garlands around railings or furniture. Add tropical flowers like hibiscus in glass jars or vases. Hang leafy vines from ceilings or photo backdrops. Even small succulents can add a natural touch. Mix real and fake plants to keep it budget-friendly. Tropical birthday parties aren't just for beach lovers, they're for anyone who loves fun. With colorful decor, fruity treats, and bright lights, you can turn any space into paradise. The best part? These ideas are easy to recreate at home. From balloons and backdrops to table setups and party favors, the options are endless. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, it's about how it feels. And a tropical theme always feels warm, welcoming, and unforgettable. Whether you're celebrating a child, a teen, or an adult, this theme works for all. Make memories, take lots of pictures, and enjoy every tropical moment. If you found these ideas helpful, tap that like button to support more creative content. Don't forget to share this video with someone planning a birthday party soon. Your support helps spread joy, ideas, and inspiration to others. We love reading your comments. Drop your tropical party thoughts below. Which idea would you love to try first? Let's chat in the comments. If you enjoy party planning and theme ideas, stay tuned for more fun videos. We'll keep bringing simple and stylish ideas straight to your screen. Thanks again for joining us, and happy tropical planning!